The Downloads folder has a habit of becoming a chaotic mess. In this video, we will share tips for organizing your Downloads folder in Windows. Over time, this folder collects installers, documents, images, and files you only needed once. Start by sorting everything by date in File Explorer, which helps you spot old files quickly. Delete installers and set up files you no longer need, since they just waste space after a program is installed. Create subfolders inside Downloads for categories like documents, images, software, and music, then move files into them. Better yet, move files you want to keep into their proper home folders, like pictures or documents, rather than leaving them here. Make it a habit to clean this folder weekly, so clutter never builds up. You can change your browser's default download location if you prefer files to land elsewhere. Use Storage Sense to automatically clear old downloads after a set time. A tidy Downloads folder saves you from endless scrolling and searching. Spend a few minutes organizing it now, and keep it clean with small, regular habits going forward.